So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you all how I'm going to utilize this wrap style ponytail, which is by OUTRE. I only paid $6.94 from it. I will link it down below as to where I purchased it from. However, when it comes to ponytails, I'm honestly used to having the drawstring ponytail. So to say that this is a wrap style ponytail, this is going to be a bit of a challenge for me. Now, I'm going to show you how I actually apply it, but I wanted to show it to you before I get it out of its packaging. And the color I'm using is DR2 / Golden Amber. So enough of me rambling about this intro. Let's see how this wrap style ponytail works for me. Okay, dolls, so here's what the hair look like out of its packaging. As you can see, it is a wrap style ponytail. It has the extra hair that you loop around the base. It has 2 combs on each side of the ponytail. I'm taking it and I'm applying it to my actual hair bun as close to the base of my ponytail as possible. I'm going to take the 2 combs that is attached and secure it. And then with one hand, I'm going to hold the ponytail so it don't get tangled up into the hair that I'm using to wrap around the base of the ponytail. And with this, you're going to need to really take your time because you don't want your hair to get tangled up. Well, you don't want your ponytail hair to get tangled up. So I'm going to take my time, gently wrap around the base. Again, as I loop it around, I'm moving the ponytail out of the way. But then I realized my scarf was kind of in the way, so I couldn't see effectively what I was doing. So I quickly removed my scarf, you know, got a better visual, and then continue to wrap the hair around the base of the ponytail. Slowly and moving the ponytail out of the way so it do not get tangled. So once I securely wrapped it around its base, I'm then going to go ahead and take 3 bobby pins that I had laying on a table in front of me. Take the 3 bobby pins, tuck it at the base of this ponytail where I wrap the hair around to secure it so it doesn't unravel. And once I complete doing that, flip my ponytail back and voila, just like the packaging said. Pretty quick, huh? Okay, this seems to be it. I mean, it was pretty quick, like how the packaging said, pretty quick pony. I don't feel that it's windy approved, meaning like if you was outside and the wind was blowing, I don't think this ponytail is good for that, simply because it's just looped over and this is my natural hair bun, and I kind of feel like if there was a lot of wind blowing, you would be able, you know, to see that the hair is just flipped over my ponytail. But on a different note, if you want to be cute, you know, take pictures, you're in an indoor setting, or you know, you outside, ain't all that windy, then this definitely can work for you. I mean, for $6.94, either way, I am not mad at it at all. But on that note, dolls, this is the final ponytail look. So let me give you, this is what it's looking like in the back, the side, the front, the other side, and voila. So on that note, this is now concluding the video. I'm going to apply my MzGlamourAddict Cosmetics Basic Nude Lippy, which is available for purchase down in the description box below. A little bit of that. My lipsticks are infused with vitamin E and shea butter for added moisture and comfort. They're long lasting, they're cruelty free, and I'm going to top it with a little bit of lip gloss just to gloss it up. And yeah, that's about it. Yeah, that's it. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. I'll be sure to link the ponytail down in the description box below. I'm gonna get out of here, enjoy my ponytail, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.